If you're experiencing no sound or audio issues on your Windows PC, try these solutions to fix it. The first solution is check the volume level. Click the speaker icon in the taskbar. Make sure the volume is turned up. Ensure your device isn't muted. And then go ahead and check your sound working or not. The second solution is verify the correct audio output device. All you have to need, right click this speaker icon on your taskbar. Open sound settings. In here, come to this output section. Under output, you have to select the exact output or speaker you are currently using on your computer. After that, go ahead and check your computer sounds working or not. And the third solution is run the audio troubleshooter. Go to your computer settings, select system, scroll down, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and now click run next to audio. Now follow on-screen instructions to complete this process. So go ahead and troubleshoot your audio and check your sound working or not. And the next solution is restart Windows audio services. Press Windows R to open the Run app and type this command services.msc, hit enter. Under services, you have to scroll down and search for Windows Audio. Right click on Windows Audio and click on Restart. Click on Yes. Once you've done that, now go ahead and check your computer sound working or not. And the next solution is update audio drivers. Right click on your computer start button, open Device Manager. Under Device Manager, scroll down and open Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Under Sound, Video and Game Controllers, you have to find out your speaker or output device. So all you have to need, right click your speaker and click on Update Driver. That's how. Go ahead and update your audio driver. After update, go ahead and check your computer sound working or not. If it's still not working, then you have to delete and reinstall your audio driver. So again, right click on your speaker and click on disable device. After that, just simply restart your PC and your audio driver will automatically update or reinstall. So if any of the solution fixes your problem, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and give a like. Thanks for watching.